Welcome to the stock analysis video. In this video, we will compare companies selected by you based on fundamentals and important financial ratios. Here is comparison based on earning per share, price earnings ratio, price to book ratio and return on equity. Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has highest EPS at 72.12. Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has highest PE at 18.94. Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has highest price to book ratio at 3.68. Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited has highest ROE at 27.07. This graph shows the revenue comparison of stocks for last few quarters. In current quarter, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has highest revenue at 14,981.41 crore. In previous quarter, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited had highest revenue at 14,504.72 crore. Here is how revenue growth rate looks like for selected stocks. In current quarter, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has highest growth rate at 3.29. In previous quarter, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited had highest revenue growth rate at 7.31. This graph shows the profit comparison of stocks for last few quarters. In current quarter, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has highest profit at 2,728.66 crore. In previous quarter, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited had highest profit at 2,446.21 crore. Here is how profit growth rate looks like for selected stocks. In current quarter, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has highest profit growth rate at 11.55. In previous quarter, LIC Housing Finance Limited had highest profit growth rate at 21.31. Profit margin is the ratio of net profit to revenues. In current quarter, Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited has highest profit margin at 29.06. In previous quarter, Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited had highest profit margin at 27.27. Here is how operating profit margin looks like for selected stocks. In current quarter, LIC Housing Finance Limited has highest operating profit margin at 94.8. In previous quarter, LIC Housing Finance Limited had highest operating profit margin at 95.24. Here is comparison based on debt and interest liability of companies. Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has highest debt at 249,293.85 crore. Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has highest interest liability at 21,470.93 crore. Here is how interest coverage ratio and debt to equity ratio compares with each other. Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited has highest interest coverage ratio at 1.62. LIC Housing Finance Limited has highest debt to equity ratio at 12.13. Thanks for watching this video.